Wait. Something's missing here. We are not actually putting the data to good use just yet. We're not using it in our operational systems, which can make all the difference. Okay, give me a second. I'll get you up to speed now. In the previous videos, we've modeled and visualized some data for the marketing team, but there's so much more that we can do here. Welcome back to our product deep dive. I'm your host, Johannes, Product Growth Manager here at Y42, and today I would like to walk you through our data exports. If you are new here and don't know much about Y42 just yet, we're an end-to-end data analytics platform that enables you to smoothly manage your entire data workflow all in one place. Our platform covers everything from integrations to modeling, orchestration, visualization, up to data exports, all while sitting on top of your data warehouse. So have you heard about reverse ETL? Well, this basically refers to the data export process where the data is taken from the data warehouse and copied to an external tool. In Y42's case, because both your integrations and transformations are already stored in your data warehouse and not in some dark box, then when your data is exported to an external tool, it's actually being copied from your data warehouse to a third-party app. If you are an avid watcher of the Product Deep Dive, then you know that we've been working on a model and dashboard for the marketing team regarding their daily ad spend on Facebook and Google. Well, turns out that the team would actually like to have the results of the model in a Google Sheets because their external consultants still prefer to work in Sheets. They haven't arrived in 2022 just yet. But instead of attempting something like a silly copy and paste scenario, we will go for the data export way. In some other video, I will be sharing with you more exciting exports like pushing your data into another data warehouse or an operational tool like HubSpot. But today, let's cater to the needs of those consultants that like to use Google Sheets for now. Let's put reverse ETL into motion. Before starting the Google Sheets export, you have to create an empty sheet first. Please keep in mind that this export will override the entire sheet, so we recommend creating a new sheet entirely instead of connecting it to an existing one, just so that your information doesn't get lost. In our case, I have that already set up, and let's assume you also have your sheet ready and good to go. So let's add the Google Sheets export and name it as such. And then it's time to connect it to Y42 by signing in with Google. So here we will sign in with Google. Now select the model that we would like to export. Now select the file into which we would like to export it. In this case, it's the ad spend, Google, and Facebook. And that's it. We will select this. The export will start. And in a few seconds from now, we will be able to see the same data in our Google Sheets. And that's it. You can see that the export has been completed, and we can now go into our Google Sheet and actually check whether the data is there. And voila, it is. That was so quick, right? It's amazing what you can do with the power of reverse ETL. Now you can serve sales, marketing, and customer success teams with the data in the tools they rely on. But that's not all. You can also set up a schedule for continuous exports with the help of our orchestration functionality. For example, so that our friends from the consulting firm get an export every morning with up-to-date data in their Google Sheet. But as always, let's jump on a call to discuss how Y42 can work for your use case. So go ahead and book a call with our data experts. And that's all for today. Just as a quick teaser, in the next video, we'll cover the data lineage. If you haven't heard that yet, stay tuned for the next episode of our Product Deep Dive. See ya.